After leaving Koh Phangan, I reached Koh Samui, the second largest island in Thailand, and it is truly a paradise with luxury resorts and spas. However, today I'll show you a hotel which is on the Bophut beach. It is truly stunning and affordable too. Watch this vlog completely and have fun. Right now, I checked into my room at Ibis Koh Samui, and since I'm a member, I also get additional discounts in case I want to extend the room. Also, I can book through Agoda and extend the room. I think Agoda is still cheap. I don't know how they do it, but Agoda is the best whenever you book hotels in Asia. This is the entrance, and this is a king size bed. I just love it. It's very comfy. I've stayed in Novotel Sukhumvit 4. It's really comfy, Accor style. You've done this really well. And then there's television, and you have your remote. They have a locker. They also have a balcony, which is not something you'll find in Bangkok. But here, since it's a tropical weather, and look at that. And as we come from the balcony, you have a chair, of course, can smoke and do all your stuff, leisure stuff. And once we enter the room, they have hangers. You can put your clothes in, right? I just got my laundry bag. They have a locker, they have a refrigerator, and they have two bottles of water in it. And they have a sofa to sit. I'll just close this door for now. They have a sofa to sit, all your coffee, complimentary stuff, bed lamps on either sides of beds. This bed is damn comfy. Even the washroom, it's tiny, it's cute and compact, but they have it all, right? So this, you have your towels, you have your soap, they have hair dryer, all that regular stuff. Right. Do not have the laundry. I have ton of clothes for laundry. They have the machine. You can go wash it by yourself and dry it by yourself. They'll guide you. You can take your thing to reception, and it just costs 70 baht. This is typical for Accor hotels. Usually they take ton of money for washing, drying, and ironing your clothes. So this is the corridor, and this is my room. Down there they have reception. This is the common entrance area, and this is the reception. There's a beach right next to Ibis Koh Samui. It's Bophut Beach, and that's the front desk. This is the lounge place. There's also an ATM inside. This is their tours section. Like you have jungle safari, ATV tours, and all that. Put 70 baht in here.
Yes, 40. Ah, 50. Yes.
55, 60,
50.
65.
Okay, the last one.
70.
Maybe.
I think this is power on.
Yes, yes. Oh, that's fine. Okay.
Okay, 45.
Yes, 45 minutes.
Okay. After this, I take this into this and I wash.
So, and this one.
So this is Ibis Koh Samui's laundry room. So first you put coins in there. They also give a detergent. It's like 20 baht or something. You put the detergent along with your clothes. Close this off. Put 70 baht. They also give you coins. Right? You have to pay them money. They give you coins. 70 baht. You put all the coins and press the play button, and that's how it's done. This is the garden area which leads to the beach. Such a cozy vibe. You have bean bags. You have all this. And now I'm walking to the beach. This is the way. In the meanwhile, my clothes will be washed in the machine. I think it's a fun experience. I've never done that before. So this is the whole vibe. There's a beach, there's a pool, and all that. And this is how it looks around the pool. Cool stuff. This is the Bophut beach, and from Ibis Samui, you just take this and walk. You can see that's the hotel entrance, and This is the beach. Now I'm walking to 7-Eleven to get some stuff, some mosquito repellent and all that. That's it for this vlog, and in the next vlog I'll take you on a wild ride across Koh Samui. Stay tuned for that, subscribe and have fun.